Are you done yet?
You around if you don't stop.
Okay guys, Big Rich here from Ohio Fish Rescue. We are in the van. We're letting it warm up real quick. We have fuel. See, Reaper, that's what you got to do before you leave. Check your fuel. We are loaded up. We have a 210-gallon tank. And the stand's bolted on top of here. And we are donating this tank today to a special somebody that deserves it. And their tank broke on them, called us, asked if we had anything we could sell them real quick. And we told them, sure. We're going out and delivering it to his house an hour away, but we're not going to sell it to him. We're going to give it to him. So that's what you get for being a good follower of OFR and you know, hanging out with us and always helping us. You get, you know, you give what you get. You get what you give. So this is going to be a feel-good video today, guys. All right, we're here at Jim Sheasley's house. How you doing, buddy?
Good.
So here's the 210. If this was a 210, what did you have running? What was that one?
Same.
No, that one's taller. 220. 220?
Okay, yeah, 220.
Okay, yeah, because this one ain't as tall. So we got this and the stand up top. So you got your choice of stands. You want it brown or this is black and black?
Black and black.
Okay. So we're going here, and then he brought his friends. What's you guys' names? Eric, and who's the other guy?
Oh, they're hiding from me. Jason and
Jason and they saw the camera come out. They went running.
I brought a giant.
Okay. So we're here. We're going to unload this stuff and get this put away. All right, we're going to start by unstrapping this top here and getting that off the top and getting that into place. It's too bad this one leaked. I love these tall frontal. Oh, look at your stand. That was going to fall apart. Oh, you had all this weight on this stand?
Yeah.
Dude, that is oh my goodness. That is waterlogged.
Right.
Oh my God. This tank would have eventually just fell through it.
I know.
You wouldn't know what happened.
There's a hole in the tank. What side?
Okay, Jim says he's got more tanks in here. Asked us to come in, so we're going to go look at his other tanks. Jim, you got something dead in this one.
Yeah. Those are all some of the babies that Dempsey's got. Quiet.
Jack Dempsey's. And what's over here?
There's shrimp there.
This is a shrimp tank. They got their whole big old mansion in the back. I like
That's
that.
something new I set up, and then
Oh, okay, cool.
the light in the
Nice.
over here. I got some Sevrons, a chocolate cichlid, some yo-yo loaches, travel to the cichlid, that is, a straggler in there, with the half black and half yellow down there.
Oh, look at these guys.
And these are all Fearfaguses.
Look at the color on him. He's going to be a long, thin one. And, of course, the Ohio Fish Rescue sticker. Okay, what's over here?
That one is, oh my name.
Can you pet them so they don't bark at them? Jim, can you pet them?
Yeah. They'll lick you, but they won't bite you.
Okay.
A crevensis
Okay.
and a rainbow in there.
Here we are.
And here's a bunch of some rainbows. There's Gara and histogrammas. That's about it in there.
Nice. And what's these two little ones over here?
That's shrimp in there. There's some black ones, yellow ones. And over here, there's a couple of shell dwellers.
You know, if you mix them colors, eventually they're going to come back all the same colors. Okay, it is in place. We have the lids on. We had to rebuild them basically and put the hinges back on. So 3 matching lids, nice, with nice handles. And then we got the background on. We cut that off and taped that on. So now there's the background. Nice black background. Nice black stand, black tank. Looks nice. We got the two canister filters here. Fluval 403s. All the hosing for that. And Jim will have to, get them hooked up. Are you going to use any kind of bottom in here?
Yeah.
I seen you had an under gravel filter out there. You're going to reuse that?
Probably not.
Really, I believe in them under gravel filters because they keep your gravel cleaner. You don't have to clean them as much. They suck the stuff through, and then all the bacteria and stuff sits on the bottom, and you have air stones coming up. Well, it also oxygenates the water by having them air tubes coming up. I like them. I use them,
I think you told me that before. That's why I had them in the other one. So.
Well, what I did was I use them with bigger gravel to where nothing is in the gravel, and I never have to gravel clean, and I'm not using it for a under gravel filter because that's where all the beneficial bacteria stays.
Right.
I don't use it for that. I put power heads on it and big pebbles, and now it's sucking stuff through your rocks and putting all the dirt back out in the water column, and your canister filters clean the dirt, but you never have to gravel clean your rocks.
Right.
I like that. So, two different ways you can use your under gravel filters. So we need to get you your lights on here. We have a bunch of lights. We totally forgot. We'll go through them at the house and get you, some matching lights, nice and look good up here. You get your filters hooked up, get everything ready to go, get your fish in and stuff, and next time you're over, we'll give you the lights for it.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Oh, no problem, Jim. You've done so much for the rescue. You deserve this, buddy. Nice, nice. Turned out a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. It looks nice.
Awesome, yeah.
It
Nice
looks way
stand.
nicer when it's in here. I was
In
a
the
little
truck, it was kind of.
I was a little hesitant there.
Yeah.
I was like,
No, that looks
we'll see
perfect
what's
there.
gonna go. But it looks.
That
I
looks.
like the black stand with, the whole.
Yeah, it gives it like an expensive look.
Yeah.
I like this.
Yeah, it looks.
Some with the black substrate too.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that would look
And the
really
black
good.
background. What are you going to put in there? Albino fish?
The geophaguses.
Oh, nice. You want them to grow out like mine, don't you?
Yeah.
That black background was definitely a really good idea to put in though. It looks really
Yeah.
nice in there. Good call on that one.
It was like $20 at Menards.
Beautiful tank.
Right, you go buy it.
Okay, so now what we were just talking about was Skylar came in and she knocked over this level, all the way to the ground. And I said, Jim, she's great at knocking everything down. Levels, pizza, cookies. And then you had what to say, Skylar?
Okay, so they knocked over the pizza first. It all fell out.
Wait. It all fell out on the ground, the pizza.
Yeah, now
all
it's
over
back
the
in
ground.
box.
Right here on the ground.
And now it's back in the box.
You put it back in the box. And you didn't tell nobody.
No,
So they're continuing eating this pizza
Yeah.
that was on the floor.
that is correct. 5 second rule.
Not on the floor.
And then I knocked over the pizza, but none fell out. None fell out when I knocked it over.
Oh my God.
That hits
It's
you up.
already tainted pizza, girl.
Hey, I'll eat a piece.
Oh my
5
God.
second rule.
Brock, how have you dealt with your sister all these years?
5 second.
I can't believe it. Okay, they picked up the tank and they're actually putting it in the van. Jim wants us to take this tank and give it to somebody that does reptiles or something because it does leak.
I don't want to.
There we go.
It's on those hooks.
gonna go this far?
It's on those hooks. Get a push on it. No, it's got, see these hooks over here? Look on this side, you'll see it.
We gotta lift up that.
Is it hitting the seats up there?
Yeah, now. Ready? Push. Got all that on tape?
Got all that on tape.
I don't think they're going to be able to see the license plate now.
Well, try it. Just put the strap in it.
They won't say nothing if they see you carrying the shit.
Carrying what?
Stuff.
The family-friendly show. The hole in that lid. Right here on the side. Right there is a hole. Yep. No, right here. Up here. There you go. And then the hole on the side of the trailer hitch. Now, we would be taking this stand except for it's not useful for nothing. I cannot believe that held the weight you had that tank on there with water in it.
Yeah.
And it was holding.
Yep.
That's probably why your corner busted on you, because this side here wasn't holding up nothing. No. Here, Brock, push down on this side. This is the wood that was holding it.
Yeah, I know this side ain't gonna do anything to it.
Wow.
That's scary.
All right, so these are the guys that ran and hid, so not to be on camera when I got here. Oh, look at Skylar. She did it. Did you hit your head this time? You didn't hit your head. That's amazing, Skylar. Awesome. She said it's a miracle.
So
Okay, you said somebody couldn't show
I'm
up.
not throwing names.
You're not gonna video shame him.
No.
But he did not show up.
No, well, I think he literally had something to do. 'Cause
Ah,
he's
okay,
He's
okay.
the one that told me that he was going to be moving it, and I was like, yeah, no.
Ah, okay. Well, we'll let him go this time. But you know, we like to video shame people that say they're going to be here and don't show up. Oh, that's funny. I've got a bunch of those. If you need one, I'll give you one. All right, Jim's catching out fish that he don't want, to basically be here, part of his new system. So he wants to put his Geophagus over here. So he's giving us these fish to take to the rescue and give out to anybody that needs them. And what are these fish, Jim?
Jack Dempsey's, a couple, the flower horn, and a couple of red devils.
Okay.
A couple catfish.
We'll find them all home. Okay, gentlemen. That's Jerry, right?
Jason.
Jason, I got it. Okay, now I got it. Thank you for your help. And Eric, thank you for your help. I appreciate all the things you guys are doing to help Jim here, and get this new tank in. Now he can get his fish back up. I just when you called and said you had a broke tank, I was like, you said, do you have anything that you could purchase from me? And I'm like, I'll look around. And I was going to hide it as a secret and tell you, a couple $100. And then when I got here, it would be free, I just wanted to help you out because you help us out all the time,
I appreciate it.
Oh, no problem, buddy. No problem. All right, Skylar, are you ready to go home now?
Yeah, I'm freezing.
You're freezing? Okay, let's go on home. Okay, so let's go. You got my other cup? It's in the car?
Yeah, it's in the car.
Okay, we're good then. Let's go.
Here's for at least gas money.
You keep your money,
No,
son.
take that for the gas money. At least, come on, you at least drove it out here.
How much is there?
Huh? 50. That's enough.
And then give each one of those guys 25 for showing up and helping.
I'll give them something. Here you go.
No.
Goodbye, Jim.
Bye.
See you guys.
Thank you so much, Rich. I appreciate it.
Oh, dude, no problem, dude. You do so much for the rescue. You stop it. Oh, we're still recording. Okay, so we're leaving now. I'm going to have to edit a bunch out because that was recording the whole time. So we're heading home. Another hour drive. Okay, so we made it back home and Josh is here. This is the fish that came from Jim's. There must have been some dirt on the bottom because they're really stirring it up. You got all kinds of Jack Dempsey's and stuff. And there's a pleco in there. Suncat. I didn't know he had a suncat. Red Devil.
Didn't he say he had a flower horn in here somewhere?
Yeah, I don't see the flower
I
horn.
didn't see the flower horn either.
Not yet. There's another catfish. 2 more catfish. There's a bunch of fish came from Jim's though.
I didn't think it was going to be this many. I thought it was like 6 fish.
Yeah, there was a lot. Whenever you go to do this, if you see dirt on the bottom in a pile, you should siphon that out first, because you put the fish in and then look, they stir it all up. And then the tank looks dirty. That tank looked like this a second ago. Oh yeah, see all this on the bottom here, Skylar? Come on over here. This is all settled dirt. So if you siphon that out first, then you use it, because, here, let me get a net or something. I can use this. I'll just go across like this. See all that? Now that goes up into the water column and becomes dirt and makes the tank look like that there. So all that settled dirt, that's the best time to vacuum that out. But we got it done. We got them back here. These fish are all to give out if anybody wants them. Get a hold of us. And until next time, stay fishy, my friends. Wait, bye.